Hello friends, I am Sonali Thakur and I am Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. Today on the behalf of Guru KPO, we are going to discuss about a mathematics topic that is real analysis. Real analysis is a number system, that is a wider number system that contains natural number, whole number, integers, and that is a real analysis. Real analysis is represented by the R, and it contains the rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. These are the rational numbers and these are irrational numbers. रियल एनालिसिस में जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज द फील्ड एक्सियम्स. रियल एनालिसिस एक ऐसा नंबर सिस्टम है जो फील्ड एक्सियम्स को सेटिस्फाई करता है. दैट फॉर्म्स अ फील्ड. फील्ड कब बनता है? दैट इज वी हैव फर्स्ट इट शुड बी अ एल्जेब्राइक स्ट्रक्चर. किसी नंबर सिस्टम को हम एल्जेब्राइक स्ट्रक्चर कब कहेंगे? जब वो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एडिशन क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी को होल्ड करता है. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी हमारे पास क्या होती है? इफ वी हैव A and B are the two elements from the real elements, real numbers, then their addition, which imply A plus B should be from R and A multiplied by B should be in R. Okay? Algebraic structure हमारे पास ये होता है. Then we have filled axioms. Filled क्या होता है? Real number system को हम filled कहेंगे. A non-empty set F with at least two elements and with two binary operation called addition and multiplication. We have x plus y from F and also x multiply y belongs to F for all xy belongs to F. आपके पास जो एक्स वाई हैं जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं फील्ड के वो हमारे पास सेटिस्फाई करने चाहिए प्रॉपर्टी. दैट इज वी हैव x प्लस वाई बिलोंग करना चाहिए हमारे पास f से एंड x मल्टीप्लाई बाय y हमारे पास बिलोंग करना चाहिए f से. इज कॉल्ड द फील्ड इफ इट इज फॉलोइंग द फॉलोइंग एक्सियम्स. अगर हमारे पास फील्ड स्ट्रक्चर बाकी की जो एक्सियम्स हैं उनको सेटिस्फाई करता है तब हम उसे कहेंगे इट इज अ फील्ड. फील्ड एक्सियम्स जिसमें फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी हमारे पास है इट शुड बी एडिशन एक्सियम्स. फील्ड बनाने के लिए हमें एडिशन एक्सियम्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए. द वेरी फर्स्ट एक्सियम इज इफ फॉर ऑल एक्स वाई जेड बिलोंग करते हैं हमारे पास एफ के अंदर देन एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी एसोसिएशन लॉ शुड बी hold. Association law says that x plus y plus z should be equals to x plus y plus z. This is known as the left association and this is the right association. When both are equal, then we say that the number system or a set F holds the associative law. And the another axiom, that is axiom second, there exists at an element 0 with respect to addition. हमारे पास 0 एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी होती है, इसीलिए हमारे पास जो नॉन एम्प्टी सेट है उसके अंदर हमारे पास एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी एग्जिस्ट करनी चाहिए. दैट इज वी हैव 0 such that is called the identity element for addition and that is we have x plus 0 is equals to 0 plus x should be equals to x, which imply an element which do not change the identity of the element. Then we say that it is the additive identity with respect to addition. And we have the third axiom, that is we have for each x belongs to f. जितने भी हमारे पास f के elements हैं there must exist an element that is we have minus x from f such that called the additive inverse for x if we have that f such that x plus minus x that is equals to minus x plus x is equals to 0. 0 is the additive identity. We say that minus x is a additive inverse of x if we associate in this manner that gives you the additive identity. Also the last axiom, that is the fourth axiom, is known as x plus y is equals to y plus x for all the elements of f, that is x and y belongs to f. That is known as the commutative law. If all the properties including the closure property or the algebraic structure a number system holds, then we say that it is a group with respect to addition. A non-empty set F should be hold the multiplication axiom too. The first multiplication axiom is it should hold the associative law for the multiplication. That is, if for all x, y, z are the elements of f, then we have that x multiplied by y multiplied by z should be equals to, we have x multiplied by y and then we have z. It is the multiplication law and associative with respect to multiplication. This is the left association and this is the right association. Okay. Then we have another axiom with respect to multiplication, that is known as the existence of unity. With respect to multiplication, we have 1 is unity. We must have there exists an element 1 from f is called unity in f, such that we have x multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by x should be equals to x. That is, we have कि हमारे पास एक ऐसा एलिमेंट है f के अंदर जिसे हम f के किसी भी एलिमेंट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारे पास वो एलिमेंट आए. दैट एलिमेंट इज नोन एज द यूनिटी ऑफ दैट सबसेट और दैट group. And also we have third property with respect to multiplication. For each element we have element of f that should not be equals to 0. There exists an element that is x inverse from f is called multiplicative inverse of x in f, such that we have x is associative with x inverse, that is equals to x inverse is associated with x is equals to unity of that set or that group. That is, we have this is, then we say that x inverse is a multiplicative inverse of x. And the last property, that is, we have x multiplied by y and y multiplied by x for all x y belongs to f. It is called the commutative law with respect to multiplication. If f holds all the property with respect to addition and also hold with respect to multiplication, then we say that it is a group with respect to multiplication. Or if it is hold the last property too, that is the commutative law, then we say that f is a group with respect to multiplication and it is a abelian group with respect to multiplication. F should hold the distributive law. Distributive law says that for all x, y, z belongs to f, जितने भी हमारे पास elements हैं f के वो हमारे पास distribution law को hold करने चाहिए. That is, we have x multiplied by y plus z should be equals to x multiplied by y and y multiplied by z. Also, we can say that x plus y multiplied by z, that is equals to, we have x multiplied by z and y multiplied by z. That is known as the distribution of multiplication over addition. This is known as the left distribution and this is known as the right distribution, where we have element is multiplied from the left and element is multiplied from the right. If f is a abelian group with respect to addition, f star, that is 0 is excluded from f, that is a group with respect to multiplication, and f is holding the distribution law or distributive property, then we say that f forms a field, and real number system holds all the properties. That's why real number system is known as a field structure. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.